Today we're going to be making chocolate chip cookies. That's inspired by the book If You Give a Mouse a Cookie. So we got our recipe from Food Network Canada, and the ingredients you'll need is 1/4 cup of sugar, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. You'll also need 1½ sticks of unsalted butter and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and 1 egg. So I've already gotten the butter into here, and you just mix it around till it's creamy. And then, like in the recipe, you just take all of the sugar and you add it in. After you finish mixing it, you make sure to scrape down the sides so you incorporate all of the ingredients. After you finish that one, make sure to put this up. You can take your egg and just crack it in there. I don't like cracking eggs, it's yucky. Now make sure to throw your eggshell away. Don't leave it out because that's not safe. And wash your hands after. Okay, so now you can add your 2 teaspoons of vanilla. So I'm just gonna turn this back on. Got 1, and we've got 2. So you just let that mix until it's fully incorporated again. So once again, you just do what you did last time. After the ingredients are incorporated, you take your spatula and you just scrape down the sides. So you do this, everything's incorporated, and you go and get your dry ingredients. I'm gonna add the flour first, but it doesn't really matter which one you add. So you just turn this on, make sure that it's slow or it's gonna go in your face. And you just start to add the flour. Okay, so now, after you've mixed the cookie dough and the chocolate chips, you're gonna take your scoop. You're just gonna take this, you're gonna put it down in your pan. Make sure your oven is preheated to 350, and you just keep doing this. And you can add more to certain cookies and eat those. And just keep doing that all the way across in rows. So the cookies are done. You can tell that they're done by the golden rings around the outside. Do not eat them right after they come out of the oven because they're going to be very hot, but you have your cookies. Enjoy! Thanks for watching.